Hi, so I recently just got this keyboard right here for my Samsung tablet. This is what it looks like. I love how lightweight it is. That is just so awesome. And it is very easy to hook up and put together. So here is my tablet. And it goes right here. Just like that. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys in this video. This is what it comes with. It has the Type-C rechargeable charger. So that's great in case you lose it. You can just go to the store and grab a Type-C. This is what it looks like. I love that it's magnetic there, so like it doesn't fall or anything. It has like the on and off switch right here. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's rechargeable, which I absolutely love that as well. We're just going to click on Bluetooth here. And so I just clicked on the HOU Keyboard, and it says that it is pairing. Okay, so I love how easy it was to pair with my Samsung tablet, and it has the on and off switch. I love that it's rechargeable. As you can see here, it's working. Love that it's a mouse too, so it's not just the keyboard, so it comes with like the mouse setting here. So if I'm like out and about and I need to get some work done, I can just clip this on. As I said, magnetic, put it on right there. It doesn't fall. And whenever I'm done, I can just close it like this, put it in my purse or whatever, and travel with it. Something else that I love is that the outside is like not slippery. It has like that, almost that catch resistant feel to it. It's like a matte, not like a shiny glossy, it's like matte. So I would highly recommend this if you have a Samsung tablet, because not only is it like a keyboard and stuff, but it also is like a cover for your tablet. Get my work done, on the go, portable, love it.